Hello and welcome everyone to DIECAST YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show two Pandem GTRs and one Liberty Walk GTR by Mini GT. I believe the Mini GT is the new thing in 1:64 scale diecast world. Everyone is very excited about their castings, prices, details and everything. So I thought to open these ones for you. So I received this one recently. I know these ones were released a few months back, but you know, now is the time. So talking about these ones, talking about Mini GT. Mini GT is TSM models 1:64 scale division. So if you guys know about TSM model, which is a popular brand name for larger scale diecast cars, 1:18, 1:43 sort of. So Mini GT is their 1:64 scale division. Again, Mini GT produce exact 1:64 scale cars, so they are doing an absolute incredible job, especially with the price tag they are coming in. And these are not expensive as TLV. It's around $15 to $20 Australian dollar range most of the time, but if you buy in aftermarket, 20 to 30 maybe. Some people sell for $50 as well in eBay. So anyway, but they have managed to get those incredible details into these models on that price tag, so that's the specialty. Anyway, so these ones are coming with this plastic blister pack with the cardboard bag. So because these are USA exclusives, normally we get in Asia, Australia, we get Mini GTs only with the box and the what you call plastic wrapped box. But in US they like more fancy stuff, I guess, more plastic stuff to pollute. Anyway, so let's open the Liberty Walk GTR first, and then we'll move to the Pandems. Right, let's open. I know once I open these ones the value goes down like but it doesn't matter. I like to open stuff and enjoy my collection. I don't like keep them in the packaging for that long. And the other thing is I have the this what you call space storage issue as well. So I believe it's better to collect with the box, not with the blister, to save space. So this is the card art. So this is limited to 2400, US exclusive. So Miho exclusive is the USA what you call hobby dealer, I guess. TSM model and Mini GT logo over here, and you can see this wonderful Liberty Walk artwork, 14 plus. And M&J Toys is a distributor. Yeah, all these mumbo jumbo, licensing, everything's there. TSM model is introducing all new Mini GT 1:64 scale details, blah blah blah. Yep, let's keep this aside and check the box. So this is the typical Mini GT box they come up with. If you're a fan of Mini GT, you know what's all about this one. Mini GT TSM model logo, licensing, everything. Alright, let's keep this aside. Let's move to the casting. Right. Look at those details, fellas. So this is metal on metal. It has 2009 Nissan GTR R35 user license, and you can see these two screws. If you are happy to swap the wheels or do any modifications, this is a chance. No reverts, only the screws. And check these details, incredible, isn't it? So you can see the front grille, LB performance, Nissan GTR logo. Wow, this is fantastic. Toyo Tires logo on the windscreen. See, if you closely check, you can see all the details of the exact car in this model. Wow, I like these copper color wheels. So this is what's the color of this one? Black / copper wheels. So yeah, beautiful. Check this out. Check the underpart of this wing. LB Works Limited. Oh, it has this ducktail beat, and then again the spoiler, a huge wing spoiler. Wow. Oh. Check this out. And see, I like this part. If you guys can remember in my previous video with the Magic Pearl version, they just gave the separate sticker piece for the wing. I didn't stick them, but in this case they already stick that part. Stick that one with the on the wing. And check this sponsorship logos on the rear windshield. Beautiful. And these side mirrors, they are elastic rubber. So if you drop this one, there's no risk of losing them, I guess. Anyway, I'm happy to see the installed side mirrors, not like Tomica Limited Vintage sometimes. So they just send us the separate pieces to stick. Wow, beautiful. All right, let's move this one aside. Move on to Pandems. So I talk about the Pandems. Pandem is a company who does the body kits for cars, just similar to Liberty Walk. So if you guys want to know about more Pandems and Liberty Walks, I'll put the link below. Anyway, let's open. All right, this one has this Pandem logo here, and limited to 1:3000, 1:0 scale. Again, US exclusive. That's why it comes with this plastic packaging. Miho exclusive, M&J Toys. All these details. Let's move this aside again. And the box. I like this black color box. You know, pretty cool. Alright, let's check this one. So this is what do you call Velocity Blue. That's the color name. I heard that Mini GT is using the exact same color code as the true 1:1 scale car. So that's how they did the Magic Pearl version. I'll put the link on top here. I'm not sure whether this is the same as well. Anyway, so this is the Pandem GTR. So if you guys can see Liberty Walk and Pandem, there's a bit different. So different body kits. Check this out. Nice. So you can see the Grady grille. This one has these silverish rims. Pandem logo on sides. And this thing has only the ducktail wing, not the huge spoiler, racing spoiler. I like these piggy logo in Pandem. So this is the Pandem GTR, and this is left-hand drive again. So because this is US exclusive, it comes as a left-hand drive. And see these Pandem. So if you buy the stuff from Asia, it comes as right-hand drive or left-hand drive variants. But I think the stuff with these plastic packaging comes as the left-hand drive versions. All right. Last but not least, this is the the next Pandem GTR. Let's open. So again, Pandem GTR, Pandem stylish cover, so same as the blue one. Yep, no difference at all. And the box, yep, same thing. Let's move that aside again. Let's move to the interesting part. All right, again, metal on metal. So this thing has these goldish rims, gold color rims with the silver outline. Wow, beautiful. It has this spectra flame reddish thing. They call this lava red. So in this box you can see the color tone lava red. I suppose lava looks like this color. And see the Pandem logo, Grady logo here. And this thing has the wing, huge wing. Is it not even? Something's not right. Anyway, I don't want to play with that much. Nah, it's good, all good. And again, left-hand drive version. Beautiful casting, and the main thing is these cars are rolls pretty well, rolls like Hot Wheels. So normal tarmac works, ignition model, they won't roll because they're saying that if they want to get the exact proportions and lower body, lower stance, they can't make these cars roll. But Mini GT does it. I don't know how they do it. Are they off from one exact 1:464 scale or not? But anyhow, these cars are rolling pretty well. Want to check the other one? There you go, it rolls. So these are the two Pandems, same castings with different wing type. And this thing has the same wing with the different body kit. Oops. So almost gonna drop this on different body kit. If you check closely, there's a slight difference with the rear and front widening parts. So that's up to you to decide what to buy and to compare stuff. I'll upload few photos of these wonderful castings on my Instagram page. Please follow Diecast Beast, and if you haven't subscribed me on YouTube, please hit subscribe button down below, like, share, comment, and share with your friends. And I'm planning to do more unboxings, my customs in future, so let's keep in touch. All right guys, have fun, stay safe, bye.